G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, just sitting on a cooler here, chit-chatting with my buddy. A couple of great things happening this session. New jingle for the Cool Tools segment. I know you're looking forward to that. Do want to thank our episode sponsor, Slice's Concession. Look, whether you're a Chino guy or whether you're an Evan guy, they've got everything for you. Comedy, knowledge, counselling, good advice. Slicesconcession.com. On top of all of that, they also sell used equipment, batch freezers, custom machines, soft serve machines. Give them a look-see. The link is down below, Slices Concessions. And we thank you very much for your episode sponsorship. It allows us to bring this beautiful machine to our viewers. Okay, here we go, folks. The new and introduction. Okay, folks, here it is. The introduction to our brand new jingle. Take it away.
Go Tools, go Tools.
Anyway, why don't we play that again?
Go Tools, go Tools.
Have you been in your ice cream shop or your production space and thought to yourself, really? Do we have to take the towels home again? Do we need to take all of those aprons home? Let's just put them here. We'll pick them up tomorrow. You come back, they're all dirty and smelly. You don't have the room or the finances to buy a full washer and dryer kit. Well, our good friends at HomHum have put together a washer and dryer for under $100. Would you believe it? Well, look, it was under $100 when we bought it. But we were just thinking, we go through a ton of towels here. Here, look. Here's a classic example. Hey, here's one of those infomercials. Do you get to the end of the day at your ice cream shop and you've got all of these dirty towels, aprons and stuff? We wanted a solution, so we thought, let's just go online, see if you can buy a cheap washing machine. Well, this is the one that came up on Amazon. We'll link it down below if it still is a link. Made by HomHum. I think at the time it was like 95 bucks. It literally is a washer and a dryer. So I'll show you how it works. We love this thing. So you've got a wash timer here that basically goes at 15 minutes. It's really just an agitator, standard or soft. Basically what you do is you lift this side and you put your towels in. Oh, look, we usually would separate the lights and the darks, but just for today. Dirty apron and another dirty apron. What else have we got up there, Madeline? Now you've got to put your own water in, although there is a water inlet tube here. Let's put this one in as well. Get in there, you dirty rag. Now, you've got to put your own water in, as I said. So we're going to use, if it's okay with the good folks at Electro-Freeze, we're going to use the the cleaning thing here from the Electro-Freeze and just basically half fill it with water. Cut to half fill with water. Okay, there we go, that's enough. Where are you? Okay, so now that we're basically half full of water, we're going to take a little bit of Tide, drop it in there. We used to use the pods, but I think this is a little bit cheaper. We're going to close the lid, and honestly, it's just a matter of setting the timer. So let's go to 9 minutes. And what you've got here is just basic agitation. Come on in, Frank. Show them the agitation. Frank? So this will just basically agitate here for as long as you want it. We generally put it on as we're prepping at the end of the day, and then we put it in the dryer this side just before we leave. So once that's had a chance to percolate in here, we'll basically let that run for the 9 minutes, then we'll put it over to the dryer. We didn't let it run for the 6 minutes. We couldn't be bothered. So when you're done here, and you can kind of see we've got some good agitation there, it's taking a lot of stuff out. You're basically going to want to set this switch to drain. And what happens is the extraction hose is going to take that down the drain, and you're going to lose all of the water. Now you might want to give it another rinse. Sometimes if it's really, really dirty water, we'll put another lot of water in there. But I mean, if it's just basically towels, you can put it straight in the dryer, which is the most exciting part, I don't mind saying. So we'll let this drain down and then we'll put it in the dryer. Okay, well, that ended up being really soapy, so we're going to add some more water. I turn the drain off here. And we'll just do another quick process here to get the bubbles out. Again, if you had a spigot and you could attach it to one of these water inlets, it's probably a better way of doing it. But we just keep it close to the drain here near the 3-compartment sink and fill it up with these hoses, and it works out well. So you put one more rinse through it. You can rinse it as many times as you want. You're probably never going to get all of the bubbles out because this is the drying part. So open up this side and this side, and you got a little bowl in here. You're basically putting your towels, your dirty aprons, and whatever else you've got in here. Oh, look at that, a lot of suds into here. You are going to find you really need to centralize this. So we're going to close this lid, put the timer on. If it starts to rattle, sometimes you've actually got to stop it and kind of realign towels or aprons to make sure that they get out okay. But again, you can set this for 3, 4, 5 minutes. It'll actually spin so much water out of it. I'm not going to say it's dry, but they're pretty dry. And you can just either drape them over the sink or you get a one of those like clothes hanger thingies and just hang them over there. We've actually found that this has really helped us out a lot. End of the day, throw it in there, throw some water in, do some prep work while you're going, throw it in the dryer, and then we just walk away. Put it on the 5-minute setting, walk away, come back in the next morning, and it's stopped. Then you open up the outer lid, open up the inner lid, and you have beautifully clean. See, this is what the infomercials don't show you. Beautifully clean towels. Yeah. Now we ran it through fast, remember, but I'm telling you, it's a good little investment. That had pancake mix all over it. Huh? Now this is legit. We didn't change them out or anything. We spoke about it, but we never did it. Anyway, I think it's a great little unit. You can put it under the sink. You don't have to have it out. You can wheel it in, wheel it out. You've got to have water to go into it. You need a drain hose close by it. But for 95, 99 bucks, 100 bucks, it has revolutionized the way that we don't have to worry about taking all of this stuff home. The link is under there. Look, if you think it's worth getting, leave a little comment, buy one, let us know what you think. Now, I should tell you that we're not getting any kickback from this, so there you go. Click on the link, see what you think. Click on the link, see what you think. Let us know what you think about the new Cool Tools theme song. Thank you to our episode sponsor, Slices Concessions. And if you have a cool tool that you use in your business, let us know. We'll get it in. We'll put it through its paces. We'll give it the thumbs up or thumbs down. That's about it for this session. Thanks for joining us. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.